Starting your Java journey in 2024.
Learning Java opens the door to countless opportunities in software development. As a beginner, choosing the right resources is crucial. In 2024, many platforms provide easy-to-follow Java tutorials and structured courses, helping you build a strong foundation from scratch. Let's explore some of the most reputable and beginner-friendly options available to get you started.
Codecademy Interactive Java Lessons.
Codecademy offers a hands-on Java course designed specifically for beginners. You'll write real Java code in your browser, receive instant feedback, and gradually progress from basic concepts to more complex topics. The lessons explain each step clearly, making it ideal if you're new to programming or returning after a break.
Coursera University-backed Java courses.
The previous user currently, Duke and the University of California, San Diego, to deliver highly rated Java courses and community discussion boards. Beginners can start with entry-level courses and earn certificates of completion to share with employers.
Udemy Affordable and practical Java tutorials.
Udemy features a wide range of beginner-friendly Java courses, often created by experienced instructors. Lessons are broken into short videos and practical projects, making it easier to learn at your own pace. Affordable pricing and frequent discounts make Udemy a popular choice for absolute beginners looking for flexibility.
Free resources, Oracle and JetBrains Academy.
Oracle's Java tutorials offer official, up-to-date guides for learning Java from scratch. You can also try JetBrains Academy, which provides a free Java developer track with interactive coding challenges. Both platforms focus on core Java concepts, helping you understand how to write and troubleshoot code effectively.
Choosing the best platform for you.
Consider your ideal learning style and budget when selecting a platform. Interactive sites like Codecademy suit hands-on learners, while university-based options on Coursera provide more structure. Mix free tutorials and paid courses to match your goals. With consistency and the right tools, you'll build a solid foundation in Java programming.